Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Boardvitals Medical Exam Prep app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Boardvitals is a medical exam preparation app designed for healthcare professionals and students preparing for board and certification exams. It offers thousands of expert-reviewed practice questions across various exams, including USMLE, NCLEX, COMLEX, and ABIM, among others. The app provides detailed explanations for every answer, helping users understand core medical concepts and improve weak areas. It's available on both iOS and Android, with features like timed practice tests, performance analytics, and adaptive learning modes. The app's main feature is its customizable question bank. Users can choose topics, difficulty levels, and exam styles to simulate real testing conditions. It also allows for offline practice, progress tracking, and comparison with peer performance statistics. This makes it an excellent resource for students looking for structured, data-driven exam prep on the go. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the depth of explanations, accurate question formats, and the ability to study anytime, anywhere. It's especially useful for final-year medical students and professionals balancing exam prep with busy schedules. The analytics dashboard helps track improvement over time and focus on weak areas, which is a big plus for self-paced learners. However, there are some drawbacks. The subscription plans can be expensive, especially for longer durations, and some users report minor glitches when syncing between web and mobile versions. Additionally, while the content quality is high, the app's interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first for new users. In summary, the Boardvitals app may be worth using if you're a medical student or professional looking for a reliable, in-depth study platform with expert-reviewed content and realistic exam simulations. However, if you're on a tight budget or prefer free resources, you might find it less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.